Get to work. All right, I want this wall finished by 9.
I don't know. Who you think you're talking to? But it ain't me. This is wall 1 of 4.
So usually you would paint the back wall whatever color you want these lines to be, but we don't want to use that much gold paint. So I'm gonna lay tape back down and go back into these lines with gold. Look at that, that looks so good. You lay your tape down, you do your first shapes, then you have to lay tape again within the shapes so that you can lay down your color here in these lines. And that's what makes the perfect lines so you can lay your gold down. Wall is finished.
It's a great quarantine project.
Yes.
We're gonna do all the walls, but this is wall 1 of 4.